Yeah, sure a nice day out here. See the lighthouse. Looks like all the trumpeter swans are in the river today here, Mouth Indian River. There's a bunch of them. Look at them all. Working their way down the river here. Looking for water, I guess. Ravens out this morning checking the beach out. The birds out here at the mouth of the river this morning. I don't think I've seen this many swans before in one place. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. There's almost 30 swans in here. I don't think I've ever seen this many before in Indian River. I don't have nothing for you. I've got a single thing. There's some young swans over here. They haven't even turned white yet. Must have been a big crop of them. Low tide. We got the ravens out here, and yeah, some kind of little bird over here too. Was that a little sandpiper or something I saw? Little bitty guys. There he is. I'm not sure what he is. We get sandpipers and we get all kinds of things. Look at the spots on him. Boy, low tide, they're sure feeding out here. Another one. Pretty little thing. Must be its winter plumage. Ha! Can't remember all the birds. Yeah, pretty little devil. Yeah, a few boats out here today running around. I wonder if they're going down to Bjorka. Looks like they're heading for the keyhole. Kind of miss being out on the water at the same time. I'm just not physically able anymore. Does look like a good day to be out in the boat. Ah, it's pretty nice out here this morning at Whale Park. Wow, look at that snow up there. What a nice day. What a cloud in the sky. Pretty nice day out here. It was so nice I decided to go for a drive out here in Silver Bay. That's Bear Mountain up there. I used to hike and hunt up there. The end of the bay down here at Silver Bay, you can see Cross Mountain. Can't see the cross today. Well, I'm going to just keep going off the road. It's pretty today. Yeah, sure is pretty out here this morning. February could be one of the nicest times in Sitka. A little early for herring yet. I don't see any sign of any sea lions or whales yet. By golly, it's a pretty morning this morning. Just look at her. And over on this side we got mighty Bear Mountain. Not many birds out here today at this end of town. There are a lot at Indian River. I'll have to go check out Star Gavin. But my gosh, what a pretty day. Oh my gosh. You sit out here in a chair all day long, just taking her all in. Got a great heron out here, great blue heron. There's some dogs over there to the left, and he's sure watching them. Boy, what a pretty day out here at Star Gavin too. Holy smokes. Everywhere I go, and it's just gorgeous out today. Wow. Yeah, looks like some of these swans have been sleeping, and some are preening and cleaning up. There's about a dozen out here at Star Gavin now. There's swans all over the place. Good to see them coming back. I wouldn't think that's gray blue heron to find much out there, but I guess he does. It's low tide. Pretty much just watching everybody else around here. But damn, it's sure pretty out. Holy smoke, look at it. Kind of cool watching the steam rise. Ground's warming up in the sun. Well, I was hoping to find some buffleheads and golden eyes, but so far I haven't found any. Other than a beautiful day. My gosh, is it nice out. Lots of ravens out. They're after these mussels. Low tide. Look at them all. Yeah, it's ravens. They just love these mussels. They'll fly up in the air and pull them off and drop them on a big rock and eat them that way. And look at them in there. Low tide. Shouldn't eat them though, because they got too much parasitic poison in them. And these beaches here in Sitka, I would never eat a mussel here. Well, it's a raven over there chowing down. I see some kind of a bird behind him there too. Looks like a little shorebird or some kind. It's all out here eating these mussels. Oh, we got the Coast Guard out today. I don't know where they're going or where they've been. Oh, the tide's starting to come in pretty rapidly now. That beach is just covered with these young mussels. Of course, nobody's been picking them for years because they're not safe to eat. You know, they call that a bearded mussel or whatever it is. Or barnacle. Mostly just a mussel, I think. Sure, a lot of them out here. Also, a lot of barnacles out here on the mussels. Look at that. Birds are having a heyday, but the tide's coming in quick, so we're gonna have to quit eating here pretty quick. Yeah, it's starting to cloud up around my Edgecombe. It'll be cloudy here in an hour or two. Supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. Boy, that tide's coming in fast. Yeah, I got some shorebirds coming in early. Boy, next month this place is going to be hundreds and thousands of these things. Where'd he go? And they're all in there. There's some more of them over there. They're all looking for mussels. Oh, hear them? Yeah, I don't know if they're sandpipers or whatever they are, but good to see them coming back. Pretty little birds. It might be a sandpiper of some kind. I know we get a lot of different ones. Yeah, lift over these rocks. And you can see all kinds of little creatures. Oh, look at them guys. Little clams and crabs and pieces of shell. And little bitty animals running every which way, even in the wintertime. What that is, it's just a little tiny, he's a little bitty guy living in that shell. Later in the year when it warms up, there'll be all kinds of critters out here. Another one, take a look under there and see what we see really quick. Everybody's scurrying around. But oh, look at that little crab, he's gonna bite me. Oh, there he is. Little crab. What's this? That's broken shells and baby crabs. See if we can find something under this big one here. Oh, there's a little baby crab. Another little baby crab. Brown bears. They love to flip over these big rocks, eat those little crabs. This beach in here is starting to show a lot of erosion. And what causes this is cruise ship wakes. So as the big cruise ships come in this channel now, they're sending higher wakes up against the shoreline and causing erosion. So that's what causes it. Pretty tough, I don't have any balance anymore. I had to bring my stick with me, and I should. I just about fell down in the rocks. Man, is it ever pretty out today? Oh, folks. Seeing a few birds, but still not seeing the golden eye and the buffalo heads I usually see. I haven't seen loons either. Well, we'll keep looking. We might find something. A lot of land otters like to come up here and eat on these high points and grassy. But I don't know, I don't know what kind of bone that is. The backbone to something. Huh. Too big for something for a land otter unless he's found it dead somewhere. Eagle could have got it too. They come up here and feed in these places. Oh. Starting to wear out a little bit. Anyway, I thank you for watching this video here, just around Sitka during the month of February. Like I said before, February could be beautiful. I've seen 60 degrees. It's one of my favorite months in Sitka. You never know what it's going to do, but we do get some beautiful days. Oh, thanks for watching the video, and be sure to watch all my other videos, including my videos about stories I'm telling about some of the things I've been through in my life. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.